ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. You've clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday morning, the 28th day of October, and boy, it is the coldest morning so far this season. Many of you are below freezing this morning, and if you're not below freezing this morning, a good chance you will be tomorrow morning. Let's go right out the window this morning with our Skycam network. There's a look at the view coming from downtown Birmingham, looking south, clear and cold. We've got 35 degrees at the Skycam site there at 5 o'clock, but again, many of the Skywatcher reports are at or below freezing. The coldest one I could find this morning was Hamilton up in northwest Alabama. The Skywatcher up there has got 27. How about that? Downtown Jasper there showing 32 at 5 o'clock this morning, right at freezing. And down on the campus of the University of Montevallo in Shelby County, they are in the mid-30s at 5 o'clock. Well, there's the setup this morning, a whopper of a trough over the east, and that is delivering the cold air down in here. There's a look at temperatures this morning, and goodness gracious, it's cold. You can see 20s and teens over a large part of the central United States, the shades of blue, and the smooth freeze line gets down to Little Rock. But again, I've got many Skywatcher reports in the upper 20s across North Alabama. So even though you don't see it here, trust me, it's out there. And again, tomorrow morning should be our coldest morning, and I think the numbers will be even colder at about this time tomorrow. And of course, as we've talked about, in addition to being cold, the air is dry as a bone. And that means no rain for the next 5 days. Probably no rain beyond that as well. So let's look at the GFS. This is at 1 o'clock today. The OZ run at 500 millibars. Big trough over the east. Big ridge over the west. And down below that, we've still got cold air advection today. If anything, the daytime numbers today will probably be lower than yesterday. Many spots over North Alabama will have a hard time getting out of the 40s with a chilly north wind. And then tomorrow, note that the surface high is a lot closer to us, and accordingly, we think we'll have widespread frost tomorrow morning, and lows maybe as cold as 23 in the valleys, with upper 30s on the ridge tops. We'll see a huge spread. I think the spread will be in about a 15-degree range from 23 to 38. 23 for the colder valleys, 38 for the ridge tops. And then we'll start to warm up a little bit with a high close to 60 Thursday. And it's going to be cold again Thursday morning. We go back in the middle 30s, and again, the colder valleys could see another freeze at daybreak Thursday. The day should be sunny with a high well up in the 60s, and then Friday looks fine. Again, chilly in the morning, but we'll be up there probably around 70, maybe low 70s on Friday. Saturday, starting off the weekend, that's going to be a beautiful day if you got some kind of outdoor event. It looks great. 40s in the morning, 70s during the day, and a large part of the nation will be dry Saturday. Great day for college football. Sunday, the same deal. We'll probably have a little reinforcing surge of cool air that might knock the daytime highs down slightly, but not much. And Monday of next week, the same thing. We'll look at Tuesday, a week from today. A little bit of shortwave energy trying to nudge in here, but there's just no moisture. Down below that, the bulk of the showers will probably stay north. And Wednesday of next week, the same thing. Some hint at a slight chance of a shower, but I don't know. I don't think it'll be a big issue. But look at this now, 3 days later. Whoa, Nelly. A deep upper-level low near Little Rock. And if that's the case, that could be very wet, potentially stormy. Don't forget, November is our fall tornado season. And we also note some type of tropical low down there in the northwest Caribbean. It's still hurricane season. And almost some type of tropical connection feeding up in that thing. Now, you know, this is voodoo, okay? This might be gone by the time we talk later today. Probably will be, but it's possible. And at the end of the forecast on the 12th, the deep trough there is out west. And at that point, the weather here looks relatively quiet. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Weather.